Alright guys, we are here in the Tree Care Arena at the Equipped Expo. Just want to kind of give you guys a little area demo. We got lifts. Lifts that go 92 feet in the air. Very, very cool. They've got Husqvarna in here doing stuff with their electric chainsaws. More lifts. Nifty Lift is here. We've used some of these before. I haven't used that one yet, but we're going to be very soon, I think. Definitely use the 50s.
Probably not, but they are stupid.
75 footer. That's 100 foot. Because it's got extensions right there and up here. 100 foot. Very cool. They got log grapple stuff here. That 65 footer right there is pretty nice. A lot of stuff for you guys to do logging. Lots of cool stuff. Skag case. Stump grinders, Toros. Toro's got a nice stump grinder. Bags for debris. Trucks. Milwaukee's got stuff over here. All kinds of cool stuff. Husqvarna's 564. It's pretty tough. We got these guys. Husqvarna does make some pretty awesome saws. Come check it out here at the Tree Care Center and Arena at the Equipped Expo.